Hi, my name is Kaiwan, and these are TBS antenna. This is the 5.8 gigahertz antenna for all kinds of needs, mainly for FPV. And I just broke one antenna, and the signal is just like crap. And the better one just works flawlessly, but this broken one just lots of noise and lots of just weak signal. So I just want to just tear it apart and see what's inside this a little bit expensive antenna and just share with you guys what's inside. So it's kind of like sponge inside. Yeah, a little like those package foam inside of your package, that kind of little foam, that kind of stuff inside your package. So this is some foam, and it's pretty hard to get inside. There are four. Okay. Something more. So we have four, because this is rhcp. Yep, rhcp. Yeah, right hand polarize, that kind of stuff. So the antenna, there are four little pieces of antenna inside of this foam. So I don't know how it looks pretty durable, but I don't know how did I broke it. Maybe crazy crash, fast crash. So we can see there are four little antennas inside and covered with foam. So I don't know how. Yeah, it looks pretty durable. So maybe I just pretty unlucky. Oh, wow. So maybe I broke one of it, because it's this part is pretty weak. So maybe I broke one of it. So let's see. Just tear. Whoa, Jesus Christ! Totally tear apart the shell. Yep. So it looks, yeah. So it looks like it broke one of the little fin. Yep. Yeah, lots of foam, man. Yeah. Yep. Okay, I think that's all. Just share with you guys what's inside this super expensive antenna. That's all. Yeah.